Duncan the spooked engine. One morning, Duncan came to collect the coat by Peter Sam. Have a nice day, Peter Sam. Shocking from you, Duncan, but have a great day as well. Arriving at the station. Blah, blah, blah. Here I am. Awesome. Great. Unload this. Alright, everybody, off. Yeah, I need to get some rest on this. Wait a second. What was that noise? I better get out of here. Sounds creepy. I'm out. Oh, here I go. Here we go. But the bridge was unfinished. It almost was gonna collapse. The bridge couldn't hold on. The bridge tumbled. Uh-oh. Ah! Ah! Hey, Duncan, what is going on? Are you good? Well, just to make you feel a little better, go ahead, tell one of your scary stories. It's getting pretty late, so be wise and tell a scary story. Something maybe happened to you lately? Something interesting. We're all here for it. Yeah. So, go ahead, tell your story. Oh, but I got a great story to tell. To be continued.